Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Sophia, and welcome to my channel, Cheeky Sassy Me. Plus, do you like my look? Right now, I am rocking my Ariana Grande vibe right now. Okay, we're gonna be covering some fun facts about Ariana Grande while we cook. Did you know our girl Ariana Grande is vegan and she loves pasta? But she gives no pasta. Because it's got too many carbs. For all you pasta lovers out there, yum! But you don't eat pasta because you're worried about the carbs. Then don't worry about carbs. I've got the perfect recipe for you. Homemade zoodle pesto pasta. Are you ready for this pasta hack? If we could hack zoodles to taste like pasta, then I wonder what else we could hack. We're making our own pesto from scratch. If you like fun foodie videos, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. The things we need are olive oil, shredded Parmesan cheese, basil, garlic pine nuts, and zucchini noodles. So, the first thing I'm going to do is roast our pine nuts in the oven at 350 degrees until they're golden brown. I put the pine nuts in the oven, now it's time for our garlic. Did you know that Ariana Grande loves haunted houses? Okay, now I'm going to add 4 pieces of garlic to our food processor. Another fun fact on Ariana Grande is that she loves hair powder, and so do I. And I know one of the spells. Ridiculous. What are we doing here? Okay. Oh no! What was that? Now we're going to need 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I wonder what else we could hack. Speaking of music, I love karaoke. Do you know Ariana Grande was on karaoke? Let's check it out. Let's tomato.
Thank you so much for helping me get to work. The traffic is so bad today.
Don't need permission, we need decision to test my limits.
It smells amazing. Now we're gonna add in our basil. Now time to mix her up. Now we're gonna add our cheese to our food processor. One thing about Ariana Grande is that she loves the color lavender.
My wrist, stop watching. My neck is fuzzy, like big. Yum, 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 yum.
Next comes our sauce. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil to our blend. Did you know that our girl, Ariana Grande, was on the cover of Billboard magazine? I wonder. Ariana Grande was on Broadway. Comment down below if you ever heard about that. You are going to want to use a spatula to scrape out the sides. You want to make sure that everything is in the bottom, so I'll just blend it up completely. It smells so good. Have you tried zucchini or zoodles? Comment down below if you like them. Next fun fact is that Ariana is allergic to cats. Now we are going to coat the noodles with our pesto sauce. Now we're going to toss our zoodles and our pesto in a large bowl. Take a utensil and blend it together. Now we're going to saute our zoodles. Okay. Cook these over medium heat for 2 minutes. Now we're going to get our pesto and put it in our pan. It's important not to overcook them. They're going to get mushy, and I like mushy zoodles. I wonder what it will be like to be like Ariana Grande on stage in all the glitz and glamour.
Here to perform her hit first time on television. Please welcome the incredible.
Go.
It's ready. I use some extra Parmesan and cherry tomatoes to garnish.
Go.
So what do you think of my video? Comment down below if you like it. Hit that bell, subscribe, leave a comment.